Hi, happy Monday. Well, good morning, children. Warm welcome to the new session. Okay, in the previous class, which lesson we have studied, which lesson we have started, children. New lesson we have started, right? I hope you people remember. Okay, the lesson name is in the sky, page number 144, lesson number 18 in your EVS textbook. Okay, in this chapter, what we have studied and what we are going to study, what we are going to learn in this session, it seems. I just give a recap once. Okay. In the sky, the lesson name is in the sky. We all live on the earth. Earth rotates on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. A 24 hours is called as one day. One day we can divide it into two types. One is daytime and another one is night time. In the daytime, what we can see in the sky, in the daytime we can see in the sky sun, clouds and rainbow, right? During the night time, what we can see in the sky, moon and stars. Is it right or not? Yes. Earth, to complete one rotation, it takes 24 hours. Earth rotates around the sun. Earth rotates around the sun. It takes 365 days to complete one rotation. Okay, Earth is also one of the planet. Earth is also third planet of our solar system. It just rotates around the sun. Okay, all the planets rotates around the sun like this. So here, this is in the solar system. Earth is the, just assume children, this is Earth in the solar system. Earth is the third planet of our solar system. It just rotates around the sun like this. It takes 365 days to complete one rotation, but it also rotates on its axis. It takes for one rotation 24 hours. 24 hours is called as one day. One day we can characterize by two types. One is daytime and night time. During the daytime, we can see in the sky sun, clouds and rainbow. During the night time, moon and stars we can see in the sky. Understood? Okay. Then next, sky appears in which color? Sky appears in blue color. Sky appears in blue color. Yes or no? Yes. Subject EVS. About which topic we are talking now? About the topic in the sky, right? In the sky, class second standard. Okay. How will experience a day and night, children? Earth rotates. We all knew Earth rotates on its axis, right? When Earth rotates, right, when it faces towards the sun, we can feel a day, means daytime. When Earth rotates and it faces towards the moon, we can feel a night. We can feel a night. In that way, we can feel a day and night. In the daytime, what we can see in the sun, in the sky, in the daytime, sun we can see in the sky. Then clouds we can see in the sky, right? And sometimes we can see in the sky during the daytime rainbow. Okay. Sun is also one of the star. Sun is also a star. Okay. Sun rises in the east. In which direction sun will get rise? Sun will get rise in the direction east. Okay. And in which direction sun will get set? In which direction sun will get fall? Means sunfall or else sunset we can say. Okay, sunset in which direction? West. Okay. Then when sun rises, right, it brings us new day. When sun sets, right, we can call it as evening, means night time. Okay. Then clouds in the form of gases and water vapors. When clouds becomes heavy, we'll get rain in the form of raindrops. Rainbow, sometimes when it rains in the sunlight. During the sunlight, when it rains, right, sometimes So rainbow will appears in the sky. So a combination of 7 colors is called as rainbow. Okay, during the night time, what we can see, moon and stars in the sky, right? Yes, stars, we could not able to count the stars in the sky. Okay, stars are very far from the earth, that's why it looks like a dot, it just blinks. Okay, then sun is also one of the star, but it's why we can uh, see in the daytime, because it's bright more, right? That's the reason we can see in the daytime. Okay, rest of all stars it will be there, but because sun spreads more, right? That's the reason we can't, in the daytime we can't see rest of the stars. In the night time when sun sets, right, we can see the stars, rest of the stars we can see. Okay, then come to the moon. Moon we can see in the sky during a night time. A full moon means when full moon visible in the sky, right? Fully moon visible in the sky, right? That day is called full moon day. And when moon is not visible in the sky, that day is called new moon day. The gap between moon day and new moon day and full moon day, that is 15 days. The gap is between new moon day and full moon day, that is 15 days gap. Okay, if you want to practically observe about the sun phases, how it will changes the phases of the sun, phases of the moon, means you just after full moon day, after Hunime, we just start observe during night time. Every day night time just observe the moon in the sky, how the phases will changes day by day, it seems. Okay, till new moon day you just observe and draw a picture and collect, write it in a, draw a moon picture, write it in a square boxes what they have given in your textbook, page number 149, I think. 140, not 149, 151. Okay, next about direction. There are 4 main directions are there: east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Okay, here one conversation is about directions. Please open the page number 144. What do you see in the sky during a day? Right here, what do you see in the sky during a day? Sun, clouds and rainbow, right? Yes. Little child, I am the sun. This who is speaker, sun is saying to the children, little child, I am the sun. I will be seen in a day. I give you what? Sunlight, right? Yes. We need sunlight, right? Not only for human beings, even animals, plants, also birds, all the living being things need sunlight, right? To live. I am rising. Now it is dawn. Dawn means light. Okay, I am rising now. Who is saying? Sun is saying, I am rising. I am rising now. I am in the center of the sky. It is noon. When the sun comes center of the sky,